Horses out. We have pass and pre. Pass to begin. Moving up by Darrell Black Diamond. Jagito. Aktung Royal Jet about 7 wide because of you. The real thing comes next. Donnery inside. Is Firestorm moving up in the middle portion. Grain Lexter is Spanish Charm. Nerves of Steel and trailing the group is Happy Hour. And going along for the first turn. We have a Royal Jeddah takes the lead by about 3 for Balenka. Aktung is running by Darrell second alongside third Jagito. Fast and free now moving up to take fourth alongside Pip because of you Black Diamond. The real thing Firestorm, Grain Lexter, Spanish Charm, Happy Hour and Nerves of Steel. Inside at Tres Octavo, Fast and free takes the lead now by about half length. Jagito moving up by Darrell, the real thing. Royal Jeddah because of you now to take fourth. Aktung is racing in 6. This time 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. The real thing now takes the lead by about 3 for Balenka. Fast and free in second. Jagito moving up because of you. Aktung as they come down at the last 200. The real thing by about 4 lengths now. Jagito, Pass and Free, Aktung, because of you, is Spanish Charm. Last 75 meters, we have number 12, The Real Thing. And finally, The Real Thing, second, Aktung. Pass and Free, then comes Jagito, Spanish Charm. Number 9, Because of You, for your Super 6.